What is the area of the inscribed blue circle in a square? Pythagoras' theorem, properties of square, area of a circle, arithmetic and algebraic operations are used to solve this question. Solution. Label points D, G, and K. Locate the center O of the circle. Join line D, G, and line O, K. Where line O, K equals R. Line K, G equals half of 10. Which equals to 5. And line O, G equals 10 minus R. From right triangle K, O, G. Using Pythagoras' theorem. The square of line O, K equals the sum of the square of line O, G and the square of line K, G. Substitute values. We have that the square of R equals the sum of the square of 10 minus R and the square of 5. Which equals to 100 minus 20 times R plus the square of R plus 25. Combine like terms. So that the square of R minus the square of R equals 100 minus 20 times R plus 25. This implies that 20 times R equals the sum of 125. Which equals to 125. Divide out by 20. It follows that R equals 125 divided by 20. Which equals to 25 divided by 4. Therefore, area of the blue circle equals pi times the square of R, which equals pi multiplied by the square of 25 divided by 4. Simplify. We have that the required area of the blue circle equals the product of 625 and pi, all divided by 16. In square units. Solution using second method. Label points C and Q. Join line C, D. Since line D, G equals 10. It is the side length of the square. Line CD equals 2 times R. This is the diameter of the circle. And line K, G equals half of line K, Q. Which equals to 5. As shown on the screen. Also, line C, G equals line C, D minus line D, G. Which equals to 2 times R minus 10. Using intersection theorem. The product of line K, G and line Q, G equals the product of line D, G and line C, G. Substitute values. We have that 5 times 5 equals 10 multiply 2 times R minus 10. Expand bracket. This implies that 25 equals 20 times R minus 100. Combine like terms. 20 times R equals the sum of 25 and 100. Which equals to 125. Divide out by 20. It implies that R equals 125 divided by 20. 25 divided by 4. Therefore, area of the blue circle equals pi times the square of R. Which equals pi times the square of 25 divided by 4. Simplify to have that the required area of the blue circle equals 625 multiplied by pi. All divided by 16. In square units.